Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm starting out by covering my eyebrows. If you want a more in-depth look at how I do this, you can check out my mermaid video where I explain the steps on how to cover your brows. So I'm just adding the glue stick and very carefully flattening my brows with a brow comb. Right, and then I come back and I put a layer of powder over the glue, and then I add a purple color corrector. Some people like to use an orange one. I like to use a purple one because my brows are quite dark. And then I add another layer of powder, and then I go over it with a light concealer. Here I'm just adding some priming oil to my skin. And I'm going in with my Wet n Wild foundation. This is the Love is the Foundation brush by IT Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite makeup brushes, and you can thank Raw Beauty Christie for that. It used to be her go-to, and I just had to try it out, so... And then there my eyebrow came up a little bit when I put foundation on, so I just went back in with a little glue and tried to stick it down again. And I'm just adding some concealer. That's the same concealer I put on my brows. And there I just added some more glue to my brow and then powdered it and concealed it again with the color corrector. That one eyebrow just didn't want to cooperate. But after fighting with it for a little bit, I got it to where I was happy with how concealed they were. Sometimes I wonder if maybe I should just shave off my eyebrows completely. And here I'm going in with a pink Mayron Paradise paint. And I'm starting to draw in the lightning bolt. If you haven't guessed it yet, this is a David Bowie tutorial. And at this point, I wasn't looking at a reference photo yet, and I forgot that the lightning bolt doesn't come to a point on his forehead. So just ignore the point on the lightning bolt. I fix it in just a minute. And I'm layering some orange on top of the pink. In the photos, it's kind of like a orangey pink color. It's not quite a red. It's more fluorescent than a red. So I did my best to create that kind of orangey pink color. Like I said, here I'm fixing the lightning bolt. just trying to clean that edge up, and then I'm going in with a light teal blue color and lining that side of the teal blue. And then I also added some lighter blue to it as well, just to add that variation in color. Here I'm going in with a shimmery orangey pink eyeshadow, and I'm just adding that to the eyelids. And then there's a black line in between the blue and the pinky orange, so I just went in and added that as well. And here I'm adding some mascara so that you can see my eyelashes. In the original photo, I don't think he has eyeliner on. It was hard to tell, so I just added a thick coat of mascara. And then here I just went in with a yellow glitter and added that to the forehead. In the photo there's quite a bit of shine on his forehead that's kind of reflecting yellow, so I did my best to recreate that with a little bit of glitter. And here's the finished look. I did add some red contouring and a wig that I styled myself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. There's a goofy face for you. And I hope to see you in my next video tomorrow. Happy Halloween!